Bahco, the brand professionals have turned to for decades for unmatched bandsaw technology, is pleased to introduce the world's first tri-metal bandsaw blade. Bahco is a global leader in the bandsaw market, with more than 140 years of experience in manufacturing saw blades and cutting tools. More forgiving than a carbide blade, the EasyCut Xtreme tri-metal blade requires no special feeds or speed. You can run it using the same parameters as regular bimetal. The blade's unique set pattern provides a greater range of cutting widths, and its greatly improved blade life outperforms bimetal blades in most applications, reducing the downtime required for blade changes and lowering blade inventory and carrying costs. The blade's extreme heat resistance enables operational agility and faster cutting when needed on a wide variety of materials. And cutting can be performed on easy-to-cut and difficult materials without changing blades. Simply stated, it's Bahco's best multi-application out-of-the-box bandsaw blade yet. The Bahco 3859 EasyCut tri-metal bandsaw blade provides a wider range of cutting materials, faster cutting, and longer blade life. Contact your local Bahco distributor to bring the latest innovation in bandsaw technology to your facility.